Hey man. Yeah, also interested in figuring out, what our built-in public voice is. There's a lot of creators, influencers, whatever you want to call them, even within the design world that do a lot of like Figma sessions or quick tips in Figma or things that I just can't do. And so I think like just focusing on maybe that one aspect of it. I think I'd have trouble like stacking up against that. But I think there's something interesting in the like general creative process that we're pursuing right now, and the way that we just kind of kick ideas back and forth, and how there's a lot of, messy middle, and then through the various conversations something emerges. So I wonder if there's like an angle where we, even just like take these audio notes that we're sending back and forth and pair that with some screen recording while I'm vibe coding, or try to take just all of that content and distill it down into an edited video. Like maybe there's an angle there. Yeah, I don't know what the like through line story is, but I think it's worth trying stuff here. And I'm open to just trying something to get started. I think pick something and do it, and we'll see how we feel about it. Curious to hear what you think.
Yo, love it. Completely aligned. I love the idea of how do we document our process? We don't need to be like teachers or experts or like know it all. I don't think you need to be like Professor Rob, like Figma master. I think we should just like do stuff and you document stuff. And what's the creative process? What's the emergent creativity, the improvisational nature? What's our different angle with kind of our own natural personality and style? I'm going to take a crack at like recording, putting together something today, maybe based on this last audio message that you sent. I also think we should just like interview each other. Like, what do you want to ask me? What do I want to ask you? I got a million questions. I think our approach is like try a lot, maybe hold on to a little bit.